Hi everyone, welcome to Themes Code. Today in this video training, I will show you how we can use Tutor LMS plugin and Elementor Page Builder plugin to create and design a course page. Well friends, when you create a course using Tutor LMS plugin, you will have the option to choose Classic Editor or Gutenberg Editor. But you know, Elementor Page Builder is a market leader and it offers a lot of functionalities. So we can use Elementor Page Builder with Tutor LMS plugin to design a beautiful course page. So let's get to be started. Here on the WordPress directory, you will find an Elementor add-ons for Tutor LMS. It's official add-on and it's by Themium. And in this training, firstly, I will just install this add-on. Okay, I'm going to get the add-on's name and get back to the dashboard of my WordPress website. But friends, you should have already installed Tutor LMS plugin and Elementor Page Builder plugin. If you don't know how to install these plugins, you will get respective trainings on my channel. Here you can see how you can create a course online video and how you can install Elementor Page Builder. I have also created a video on how to install Tutor LMS plugin. Okay, I'm here on the dashboard again, and to install the plugin or add-on, I'm going to navigate to plugins and click add new. And here is a search box, install now button, click activate. Okay, here you can see I have installed and activated Tutor LMS add-ons plugin, and I have Tutor LMS plugin, I have Elementor plugin. Okay, now to work with Tutor LMS plugin, I will have to configure the settings of Elementor Page Builder. Let's see how we can configure the settings of Elementor Page Builder. Here you can see under Elementor settings, or you can hover over Elementors and you will find settings. Okay, just click on settings, and here goes post types. Under general tab, you will see post types. By default, Elementor selects post and pages to design with it, but Tutor LMS creates this custom post like courses and lessons, quizzes. I'll have to check courses, lessons and quizzes and assignments, and then we'll be able to design this post items using Elementor. Just hit save changes. If you don't check this, you won't get the functionality of Elementor Page Builder to design your course. Okay friends, if you don't know how to create a course, you can check my this video, Tutor LMS, how to create an online course using Tutor LMS plugin. Now I'm going to hover over Tutor LMS menu, and here you can see courses. I'm going to click on courses. From here you can create a brand new course, but I have created already 3 courses, and in this video training I'll just show you how you can design these courses using Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so I would like to design this course. Okay, how to create a WordPress website. Let me show you the course overview. Now click on edit, and this time here you will see edit with Elementor. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, now here goes the Elementor Page Builder's designing studio or interface, and now here you can see I can select every section or every element. If you would like to change the title, you can change it. You can change each and every section. You can reorder each of the sections and add any new section. Okay, let me show you step by step. Firstly, I'm going to show you how you can change the title. Okay, if you hover over here, you will see an pencil icon. Just click on it and the respective widget will open up here. And if you would like to see all the widgets that offers the Tutor LMS Elementor add-on, just you can scroll down, and here goes the list. It offers 25 by this time I'm recording this video. Okay, but if you would like to see all of this, just click over here and just close this, close this, close this, and here goes Tutor LMS widgets list. Now let's see how I can change the title. Just click on title, and here you can select the HTML tag, HTML header tag. You can select h1, then the h1 tag will be applied to the header, and you can use h3. That's all. Okay, I'm going to select h2 again, and now you can change the alignment. It is left aligned, you can bring it to center, and go to the style tab, and you can change the color and typography of the title. So click over the color. I'm going to choose a color. Okay, this blue color. And typography, click on this pencil icon to change the typography. It will take by default the default font, but you can customize the font. I'm going to select Poppins, and font height 800. Okay, in this way you can design each course in an unique way. You can give each courses unique look. Okay, and here you can see by default the rating is on the top, but I'm going to drag and drop here. And if you don't want to show the ratings here, just right click on it and hit delete. It will be deleted. And here you can see the pencil icon of the author, and here goes the course duration and enrollment. If you would like to show any special element here, you can just do it if you have previous working experience with Elementor Page Builder. Okay, I'm going to right click over here on this column setting and add a new column. Here it is, and I'm going to add an element here. Okay, right click over here, and here you can see course category. Okay, course category. I'm just going to drag and drop here. Now I can display the category of this course. Here you can see please enable course author for author setting. I will do it later. And now let's scroll down. Here you can see course description. If you would like to make any changes, just click over the pencil icon, and here you will just change the title. If you click on the style, you can change the color of courses. Let's see how we can work with the course builder. Here you can see the course builder, topic of this course, and click on this pencil icon, and here you can see the general setting. You can change the title of the course. You can change it to what you will learn. Okay, it changes instantly. And here you can see collapse icon. You can change to any icon. Okay, great. And change the icon position. Here you can change the icon position, and go to the style. You can just change colors of topics. Here you can see icon color. You can change it to any color you like, and you can add background color. For lessons, you can change colors, and for spacing you can add spacing. Okay, that's all for courses. And scroll down, here you can see the about the instructors. If you would like to change or update anything here, you can do. Just click on the plus sign and you will get the options here. Okay friends, let me show you how I can add some special widgets. So again, go over here and I'm going to search for Elementor widgets, and here you can see courses social share. You can add social share at the bottom of the course. Just drag it, hold, drag and drop. below the course you can display the social share icons, and here you can see the setting options. You can change it to a square, already a square. You can change it to circle, here it is circle, and you can change the alignment. And let's see the styling options. You can change colors, you can change the icon styling, you can use official color or any custom color. Okay, you can add any color and shape color. You will get a lot of controls over your design. You can just beautify the way you want. Now here you can see course materials. If you don't want to show the course materials or just below the course fee, you can just drag and drop here. Okay, just drag and drop here. Okay, now it's empty. And if you would like to show the targeted audience on the top, just bring it top. I'm going to display course list or course carousel. Just each single course page you can display related courses. Okay, so again go back to this panel and scroll down until we can see course carousel. Here it is, course carousel. Just hold it, drag and drop. After the course author, I can show this carousel. Okay, here you can see a course carousel and respective setting options on the left. Here you can see the skin type is classic, or you can select it to card. Now it is card, and slides to show 1 2 3, and you can control the hover animation. You can show or hide the image. Here you can see just self-explanatory. You can easily change to any element. Okay, and from the query you can include or exclude any special categories or any query settings. So here you can see categories. You can add any special categories of course here, because you know this course goes under web development. If you would like to display all the courses that goes under web development, you can show here, or you can show all the courses. Fantastic. And you can exclude any specific category here. You will get up to 24 widgets. I couldn't show you all of them in this tutorial, but probably I could show you how you can activate these widgets and how you can configure the settings of Elementor page builder and how you can beautify or customize this course page. When you are happy, click update and you can see the preview here, and you can see how it will look on different devices, on the tablet, on the mobile screens, again on the big screen. That's all. Okay friends, if you face any issue to install and configure these add-ons, then you can let me know in the video comment box. I'll try to help you. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more videos on WordPress CMS. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.